Hello, it's Merlot here, and I made some amazing stracciatella, and what that is eggs beaten up with Parmigiano, and I made some amazing homemade chicken soup. When you put it in, when it's boiling hot, and you add some Italian parsley. I also love to add some Shroom of Doom onto my beautiful stracciatella, just to add a bit more kick and some more interest. It's not necessarily Italian, but it's good enough for me. Inside here is King Oyster Mushrooms. And that's a mouth full of out.